Hi everybody, Dave Matthews for Champion Trading. What we're showing today, this is the Label-aire 2111 CD model. They've been around for many years. It's one of the most simple, economical labelers for simple online labeling. It's on the factory T-stand, which is portable, can roll right up to your conveyor. And what it does, the unique feature about the Label-aire, it takes the label, travels over the peel plate. The peel plate then deposits the label onto, and I'm going to tilt this back so you can get a look at it, onto a grid which has a series of small hoses in here, which then will blow the label on. Now naturally you have to be relatively close. I'm going to show you one, Jimmy, a shot of that. Okay, so that's how the label is shooting off. So we're just going to give you a better look at that. You can adjust the air, you can get a little more velocity. Obviously you can see it's yoke mounted, so you can actually invert it. You can bottom label, you can side label, you can top label. Very versatile. I'm going to show you here so you can see that. I actually use a notebook in here. And you see what I'm doing here is that this is the sensor which would mount on your conveyor, and as it senses the product, it fires a label. So we're going to put one here. We're a little bit too far away, but we're just firing the label onto there. And see it rolled over because we're a little too far away. So you want to be relatively close. And these are old labels that we use for testing. So you get the idea. Happens to be an M&M Morris label, our favorite M&Ms. Uses a small Lion 6110 sensor in here, and that senses the label so it knows it advances one each time. It operates on 120 volt and of course uses compressed air. We have lots of labeling in our stock, pressure sensitive, glue, hot glue, all different types, automatic as well as semi-automatic. We hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we thank you for joining us for this video today. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.